Oh, snap. You could use a battery to move your phone? Hey, what's up, man? Yeah.
I got sick playing Fortnite.
Yeah, you have some Ligma?
Yeah, dude, it's the worst.
What's that? What's Ligma?
Dude, do you even Fortnite?
Oh, come on.
Fortnite is like the best.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Hello,
Oh, I
dude,
didn't
you
see you.
there?
I'll call you back. What's up? I didn't see you there. What's up? Whoa. Oh, yeah, welcome to another episode of Guava Reacts. Today, we're going to be reacting to some phone hacks, okay? Specifically from 5 Minute Crafts. 5 Minute Crafts, I don't know which to get your ideas from, but they're truly amazing, and that's why we are going to watch it and possibly attempt some of it. Let's get started right into this video here. Yeah, 5 Minute Crafts. Cool phone hacks. All right, cool. All right, we have a Coke bottle. What are you gonna do there? Oh, is this where she's gonna watch TV? Oh, wow, a tripod. You can use a Coke bottle for a tripod. Wow, I wanna try that out. Okay, so we have some water and we have some rubber bands. Does this actually work? Are you kidding me? Okay, so we gotta take the water bottle, phone here, like this, get the rubber band. Please don't snap in my fingers. I will be so mad at you. And then we go right here. Wow! Now you have your own personal tripod. Or you can use it as a handle. Hello?
What's Fred Flintstone's wife?
Wait, what's Fred Flintstone's wife? Her name's Wilma.
Isn't Wilma nutty?
Wilma Nuts, what? Oh, ew! No, not falling for it. Okay, let's go to the camera. Wow! Perfect! Let me take a picture real quick. Here we go. I'm gonna do this. Cheese! Perfect! Wow, check out this picture. Isn't it great? Perfectly great. Like nothing's like obstructing the camera lens. It looks wonderful. And then you can just drink whatever drink you have. Okay, next, balloon. Oh no, oh dear. What? Okay, so you can use a balloon if you want to have a phone case. Blow it up and then push it down. Okay, let me show you how that works real quick. This is the right way to do it. Or does it even work? You know, you watch all these videos, people don't even try it. So my duty is to make sure it does work. So here we go. Let me just take off my phone case. Apparently, balloon cases is where it's at nowadays. Take your phone, okay? And then put it on the balloon like this. And then slowly push it down while air flows right to it. Just like that. How'd you do that, sir? Ma'am? Hello? You just press it down. What? Let me try that one more time. Okay. Went down like this, and then we just pressed it down. Like that. No! I'm gonna get this, okay? Actually, I learned this magic trick. Not this one, but I learned an actual magic trick using a phone in a balloon. You can put your phone inside of a balloon really quickly. You wanna know how? Let me show you. Okay, really quickly, this is how you put a phone inside of a balloon. Phone, balloon. Wow, this balloon is really wet. You see all of my saliva. But that doesn't matter, because this phone is about to be in a balloon. Ready? Here we go, watch closely. Oh! Huh. Okay, so I think the solution is with the size of the phone. This phone is too big, so I have here a smaller looking phone. And the color the person uses blue, I was using red. So you gotta make sure you have a blue balloon or else this doesn't work at all. Let's try this one more time. So let's try the first method. This is how you get your phone case, okay? 1, 2, 3. Alright, I got it, kind of. I cheated, but it did work. Check that out. Check this out. Okay, that's the one method. It does work if you do it right, but this is trippy, okay? Listen to me. This is a real magic trick. I'm not lying. You think I'm lying? I can actually put your phone inside of the balloon. Check this out. Okay, this phone's about to go inside the balloon. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, you see your phone is literally inside the balloon. How do you get it out? I don't know. Whose phone is this? Sorry. Here you go. I'm so sorry. You gotta get your phone out of your balloon. Sorry. Ooh, that was a long segment. Let's move on to the next one. Uh-oh. What you gonna do? Eraser? What'd you do? Wait, what? What'd you do? So if you use an eraser, you can get rid of like fingerprints on your phone. I don't have an eraser, but I believe it. I believe it. You do you. I like your gloves. I don't know why you have gloves like that, but it's cool. What is this? Why are you blow drying? Wait, what? No way! Okay, well, you know what else I learned? Let's see. This is a cool trick I learned the other day. It's called genuine velocity. All right, let me show you this. Follow me. Okay, so this is a life hack. 5-minute Crowns probably does not know, but you're learning this from me. This is called the phone hammock technique. Just grab your cube, a USB, plug it in, and then you don't want your phone just hanging out like that because someone might step on it, okay? What you want to do is grab your cord, wrap it around the cube like this, let it dangle, and then voila! You have yourself a phone hammock. While it charges, it stays up, no one can kick it, and it's just chilling. The phone hammock. That's a cool one, but I like my hammock thing better, because what if you need the actual length of the thing, you know, I feel. Uh-oh. You could use a battery to move your phone? Wait, why? Are you kidding me? Really? Are you serious? No way. What's in the battery? Oh, whoa! That is crazy. What? Does it work on the other side? It works on any side of the battery. On the side? What is that? Let me use my mouse. What? But then a battery works? Whoa. Okay. That's cool. That's cool too. That's me every Sunday. Oh no. What is that? Oh, wow. Oh, that way it's like a pop socket and a lip balm. Huh. Good thing we have ourselves a phone. All right, so let's try it out. Grab your hot glue gun, put it on this pop socket because apparently this is better than a pop socket. There you go. Perfect. Grab your chapstick, put it on. And there you there you have it. Now you can use that as a chapstick and a pop socket. Here we go. Ooh. Wow. Amazing. And you can take a selfie. Huh. Oh wait, I need some more lip balm. Smile. All right, this is extra. Saran wrap. What you gonna do with the saran wrap? You're gonna put it in the oven, and it's gonna become fried chicken. Wait, what? Oh, you're making a phone case. Wow. You literally can design it any way you want, and then you wait for it to. Oh my goodness, that is magical. You take it off, and it's a phone case. We need to try this. That's why we got some saran. Not saran wrap. Is it saran wrap? We have plastic wrap. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, I have my phone. All right, here we go. Let's go. Oh. Oh my goodness, this is great. And then you gotta put it around your phone like this. Wow, I believe this is truly gonna work. This is gonna be great. Now we do the magic. Whoa. Wow, this is amazing. This takes some time, but like DIY phone case. Yo, this is great. Wow. All right, so far so good. Now I just gotta get the sides real quick. Wow, I swear, if this works, I'm gonna be very, very proud of my artwork. That's why they call it artwork, because sometimes it works. Let's see if this actually works. Uh-oh. So far it's looking good. Okay, my phone's okay. Now we just gotta get this phone case. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Oh, snap. Hello?
Hello, this is Mike Hunt from Sogondis.
Wait.
Sogondis, you ordered
I don't
food?
know.
Sogondis.
What do you say? Sugandis food?
Yeah, sug on these food.
I don't know any Sugandis food. Sugandis?
Yeah, don't you want to sug on these?
You want me to sug on these? No. I'm done. Too many people.
I can give you a deal.